Hello friends, today's topic Bajaj Housing Finance IPO very shortly. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. The highly anticipated IPO of Bajaj Housing Finance will be opened between September 9 and September 11. This is the first IPO from Bajaj Group in many years. Earlier, Bajaj Housing Finance was planning to raise rupees 7,000 crores from the IPO. However, they have reduced it to 6,560 crores. Fresh issue 3,560 crores. Offer for sale 3,000 crores. Total 6,560 crores. The issue price will be announced on September 3. Bajaj Housing Finance is being listed in the stock markets due to the RBI's mandatory requirement for upper layer of NBFC to list within 3 years of being notified, that is by September 2025. Bajaj Housing Finance was founded in 2008. Its promoter is Bajaj Finance Limited. Bajaj Housing Finance is currently owned by Bajaj Finance. It is a non-deposit taking housing finance company registered with the National Housing Bank NHB since 2015 and has been offering mortgage loans since the financial year 2018. The company's mortgage product range is comprehensive and includes A. Home loans, B. Loan against property, C. Developer finance. As of March 31st, 2024, the company had 3,08,693 active customers, of which 81.7% were home loan customers. The company has a network of 215 branches in 174 locations across 20 states and 3 union territories, overseen by 6 centralized retail loan review centers and 7 centralized loan processing centers. Bajaj Housing Finance Financials. 31st March 2022, total revenue rupees 3,767 crores. Profit after tax 710 crores. 31st March 2023, total revenue 5,665 crores. Profit after tax 1,258 crores. 31st March 2024, total revenue 7,618 crores. Profit after tax 1,731 crores. 30th June 2024, 3 months, total revenue 2,209 crores. Profit after tax 483 crores. The business has been improving over the years and it looks like strong. The reason for the IPO is to satisfy the SEBI rules with respect to compulsory listing of some NBFCs before September 2025. The money raised in the IPO will be used to increase capital for lending for future business requirements. IPO quota: qualified institutional buyers 50%, retail investors 35%, high net worth HNIs and non-institutional investors 15%. Bid or offer opens on 9 September 2024. This is the IPO timetable. Offer closes on 11 September 2024. Finalization of allotment 12 September 2024. Initiation of refunds 13 September 2024. Credits of shares to demat accounts 13 September 2024. IPO share listing date 16 September 2024. Bajaj Housing Finance will have a reservation for the shareholders of Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv. Investors who held either Bajaj Finance or Bajaj Finserv shares as on 30th August 2024 in the demat accounts will be eligible to apply the shareholders quota. More details are awaited yet. As of now, even before the issue price has been announced, the grey market premium for the IPO is Rs 61 per share. On 3rd September, when Bajaj Housing Finance announces its IPO issue price, we will share the details in our breaking news video. It will be interesting to see at what valuation they issue shares at the time of IPO. End of the video, here is the question. Are you interested to apply for Bajaj Housing Finance IPO? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.